Hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to talk about how I made $4 million online in 2022. We're an online business selling for a number of different channels. The first one and the biggest one I'm going to talk about is Amazon. This makes up about 40% of our sales. It really needs no introduction. It's the biggest marketplace in the world. We sold about $1.3 million in it in 2022. Our main marketplace is the UK. We sell about 50% of our inventory through the UK. The rest goes on the other 16 or so sites that it sells through. So what are the pros and cons of Amazon? It's really easy to use. That's the first big pro. People love it. Customers love it. It's a fully enclosed marketplace, which means that it has a search, and you can have, if you put new products on it, you can drive new traffic to the new products using its advertising system. It's got a really secure checkout. It's got marketplaces all over the world and hundreds of millions of customers. Now, on the downside, selling on Amazon is a pretty undignified experience. I do it all the time, but I really don't like it. It's a horrible place to work, and they're really, really hard to deal with. In fact, only today I had my Amazon USA account shut down, which is really stressful. So let's just take a look at our Amazon business. Here I've got a listing for the ever popular Paddington Bear. And you can see here that we are one of the sellers. In fact, we have the buy box for this product. If we click on Hello Baby, we can see our seller details here, and you can see that we have thousands of feedbacks, lots of lovely feedbacks there. And if we look down here, we can see our products. Got over 2,000 products from lots of different brands. We also sell the same products internationally. So if I go to the French site, we can see we've got the same Paddington Bear, but in French, and we do that all across the world, and we make about $1.3 million a year doing that. Next, the website, or Shopify. So we sell through a Shopify website. So let's say our channel is Shopify. We have really, I think we've nailed the website recently. We moved from Magento to Shopify. It's really, really super easy to use. We love it. I love the fact that my team can just use it if they want to. They can just log in and just change stuff. Makes it really democratic. We do about $1.3 million through Shopify every year. About 60% of that comes from Google Shopping. So they're the shopping ads at the top of every Google search. Another 20% comes from SEO, or search engine optimization. That is mostly Google, but a little bit of Bing and some other other search engines. About 10% of it is affiliates. That means that we've joined an affiliate network, and affiliates has publishing websites which will link to our website, and if a sale is made, then they get a payment. Examples of these tend to be shopping comparison engines other than Google. And then about 10% is either direct or email. Now, email is a very profitable channel to use on websites. Tell you the truth, it's never really worked that well for us. Possibly the nature of the products. People buy toys for other people and not for themselves. But if you have a business which is any kind of subscription element, or any kind of, like a knitting patterns, which is lots of repeat purchases, then that will work great for you. I'm going to do a search from Google for Jeannot Llama, and you can see here we're in the pole position for the Jeannot Llama in the Google Shopping ads. These ads are created via a feed into Google Merchant Center and then into the AdWords account. I'm going to cost myself a bit of money by just clicking on that. Ugh. And it takes us directly to our site, which is built using Shopify. You can see it's a lovely, clean site. Lots of big, lovely images, comprehensive description, shop with shop pay, which definitely improves conversion rate. Shopify, it's a joy to use. eBay accounts for about 10% of our sales. Now, I really love eBay. It really upsets me that it didn't make it big. Well, I suppose it did make it big, and then it's, just never grew anymore. It's no longer the biggest player, but it's still a very significant player. And the big thing I love about eBay is that eBay needs you. They need you much more than Amazon needs you. Amazon makes it very obvious they don't like you even. The fees are about 12% on eBay, which is a bit lower than Amazon, which is about 15%. But it's a much more pleasant place to do business. And 10% is 10%. I definitely recommend it. This is the Hello Baby eBay store. You can see eBay, it's a much cleaner, more modern look than it used to be. It allows a certain amount of branding. We've taken a lot of care to have beautiful images for all our products. If we click on, again, the classic Paddington, we've enabled multi-buy, which we find increases the basket size. We have also got a template for our products here, which brings our branding onto the eBay platform. Now, there's a lot of companies out there that will charge you a lot of money to do eBay templates. I'm not sure how important they are. You certainly can't measure it, but it's a good idea to bring some branding into it. We've been selling on eBay a long time, and we've got over 100,000 feedback, which we're very proud of. You'll notice 99.5% positive. It could be better, but it's quite hard to get it to 100%. The other 10% is made up of a number of smaller channels we sell through. Diversification in life is a good thing. We sell on a number of channels, including Frugo, which is an international channel. It gets most of its traffic from Google search. OnBuy, similar to Frugo, UK based, and also some smaller channels. We sell on something called Allegro in Poland, and we also sell on Trade Me in New Zealand, and we're soon going to be selling on Walmart, because diversification, you don't know how all these things are going to work. They're always good to try new things out. We organize our sales using a platform called Linworks. We take all the channels, go into a single order management system, which we then connect to all the couriers and send the stuff out. So it's all very, very automated. Well, I hope you found that interesting. Thanks very much for taking the time to listen to this. And if you enjoyed what you saw, please subscribe to the channel.